Welcome back to the whitchermath channel. On a previous video, we did the front side of this practice test, which is just practicing doing some transformations, looking at the transformations and describing them. But in this video, I'm going to describe to you what to do and have you perform that transformation. All right? So if you want to, go ahead and freeze it here and do the problems yourself. Hit pause, do these. Okay? Go. Hey, now that you're back, let's work through this together, okay? I made a little model out of paper. I think it's worth doing, and I think you're, depending on where you live, you have scratch paper available to you on most standardized tests, and you could certainly tear up little shapes and help you do this, okay? But ask your teacher before you just do that. Okay, here we go. Rotate it clockwise 90 degrees around -4, -1. So here's -4, and here's -1. So that's the point. Let me make that kind of red there. Okay. Rotate it 90 degrees clockwise, which means that point is going to stay nailed down, if you want to think of it that way. So it's going to look like that. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that. There we go. We're doing rigid transformations, right? So the shapes are congruent. They're going to stay the same. Now, check. Reflect it across the y-axis. Here is the y-axis, right? So we're going to reflect it over here, which means this point, which is 1 away, will be 1 away there. Look, there's a little smiley face. Oh, this point, which is 4 away, will be 4 away on the other side. And this point is also 4 away. It'll be 4 away over there. Connect the dots. There we go. Looks like a new superhero. Yeah, see if we color in his eyeshadow there. Make the eyes a little bigger. Or is he a villain? Make him evil? Okay, anyway, done. Next, we've got this kind of shape, right? One of those. Let's see what we're supposed to do. Translate x plus 3, which means it's going to move horizontally 3 spots. Starting here, it's going to go 1, 2, 3. Everything moves 3 spots. So we end up with the same exact shape, but it just moved x plus 3. Okay, next. Rotate 180 degrees around 0, 0. That's the origin right there. So if it's going to go 180 degrees around that spot, it's going to, there's 90. I know this is pretty high tech, right? Keep that spot nailed down though. So it's going to have that kind of orientation. Here we go. There we go. So that went 180 degrees clockwise around the origin. And now we want to reflect it across y equals 2. First we need the y-axis, then we need the 2. There is y equals 2. And we're just going to reflect it across that. So if I'm right here, everything is 2 away from that, right? So if everything is 2 away from it, it's going to go, everything is 2 away on the other side. Sweet! Get a different color here. So if it's 1, 2 away, it's going to start there. There we go. Reflected. Everything is an equal distance on the other side of this line of reflection. Okay, and finally we have one more problem down here. Let's check this out. The challenging one. Okay, graph these coordinates. We're going to go A is at 2 and 3. B is at 4 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C is at 1 and 5. A, B, C. Let's connect the dots. Okay, got ourselves a cute little triangle there. Done, done, and done, and we labeled them. Done. Translate it left 4 and down 6. That's what that means. That means every point is going left 4 and down 6. So A is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's A. B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Did that. Next, reflect it across the y-axis. Well, where is the y-axis? It's right here. The y-axis means x equals 0. Okay, I know it's called the y-axis, but strangely enough, it's called x equals 0. That means B is going to stay the same, right? Since it's on the y-axis, it'll stay the same. A is going to reflect over here. And C is 3 away. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Looks like another superhero mask, right? There. Draw the new shape. Done. What are the coordinates of the new B? Well, the funny thing about that is they didn't change, right? So the new coordinates are x equals 0 and y equals -2. 0, -2. Done deal. We got it done. That's some good practice on transformations. We did all 3 types. We did translations, rotations, and what's the other one? Yeah, reflections, okay? We'll have more videos coming up with the dilations where things grow or shrink. But there's the basics for you. This was the back. For my students, this was the back of the practice test. For everybody else out there, it's just some good practice on transformations. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.